Okay, this is a room tour of Concorde Deluxe. Taking you through the front door as always. And we go straight into the bathroom. Room for a shower. Big enough even for 2 people. Got your hand basin, towels, mirror for shaving, and in the same room you have your WC, the toilet. Okay. Okay, to my left, or depending on the room, it might be to your right, you have the wardrobe situation going on here. Ironing board, morning dressing gown, or dressing gown. And here you have your safe, iron, space for more stuff. And what do we have here? Okay, interesting. Here we have a wall. Okay. Okay. 2 cups. Here you have a minibar. It's quite nice that the minibar door opens with the other door. You see that? Both of them open together. In some hotels you have to open door 1 and then go into door 2. All the snacks here are free and they're replaced on a daily basis. On this side, you have a television, coffee maker, complimentary water, different kinds of tea and coffee, chair for one there, and a table, another one here. And in this room, there are 2 beds. I guess a standard room will only have 1. We're fortunate to have 2 in this room. Queen size bed, dresser, and a single. So if you're coming with a child, young adults, and here of course you have your balcony. Okay, 2 chairs, table, ashtray. Should we go out? Yes, go out. Oops. Very, very good sliding door. This is the situation where I am. And from here, in the distance, you could see the pool. And after the pool, there's the beach. That's the sea. It's a very lovely view. And there's a lot of bazaar markets going up around this area. Quite a few of them are actually walking distance from here. This is the view of the 2nd floor. I would call it second floor middle, because I think people right at the front, or the tip of the nose of Concorde, would have a better view of the beach, or at least of the swimming pool. But that's what we have here. Cute, good enough for 2 people. Big enough for 3 even. Yeah. Now we're back inside. As with most modern hotels these days, if you open the door, sliding door, the air condition goes off. So that's the same situation here. Okay. That is it for this room. TV guide. I'm sure there's channels in different for different regions of the world, including UK, America. Yeah. I'm looking for adapters. Surprisingly, I can't see any beside the bed. Oh, we do have this one going on. So we have a socket, but these days it's not unusual to have USB or USB-C port somewhere near the bed. There doesn't seem to be any in this room. Interesting. So bear in mind, if you're coming here, you will need an adapter. Definitely need an adapter. Okay. Right. I think good. There's a mirror there on the door as you exit. So if you need to do a final check on yourself before you step out for the day or for the afternoon, you could do that. Okay. Thank you once again. This is Absolute Travel Adventures, bringing you greetings from Concorde Deluxe Resort, Lara, Antalya in Turkey. Thank you for staying tuned. If you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comments and I will do my best to reply. Beautiful, modern and clean. Very clean. And if you haven't heard me say that in this video, I said it on the other video, this is all-inclusive results, as in all your food are included, all your drinks are included, your ice cream, everything, top brand products. They're not cutting back on the items. They're all included. Nice looking bed. I haven't slept on it yet. Still fresh, but it looks comfortable. Wooden floor, and just a few things on that side. The iPad is ours, so iPad doesn't come with the room. Beautiful. This is it. Thank you very much. I hope this video is useful to somebody. If you want to book here, you would have a great time. I can see some structures there to look like Concorde. So the hotel was modeled after the Concorde airplanes. Thank you very much. Absolute Travel Adventures. Please feel free to like this video, comment, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bringing you love from Lara, Antalya, here in Turkey. Bye-bye.